Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the ordered arrays section. This is creating arrays with array. We can construct ordered arrays with a built-in PHP function, array. The array function returns an array. Each of the arguments with which the function was invoked becomes an element in the array in the order they were passed in. Arrays are most useful when we store them in variables. We create an array variable the same way we create variables of other data types, with the assignment operator. Here we have my array is assigned array with 0, 1, and 2 passed into it. In the code above, we constructed an array using the array function, which we captured with the myArray variable. MyArray is an array with 3 elements. 0 is located in the 0th index, 1 in the first, and 2 in the second. PHP arrays can store elements of any data type. Here is string array, and it's assigned array, with the first element being a string, second element also a string. In the code above, string array holds 2 string elements. The string first element is located at the 0th location index, and the string second element is located at the first. PHP arrays can also store elements of multiple data types. Here we have a mixed array is assigned array with 1, with the number 1, the string chicken, the number 78.2, the string bubbles are crazy. Above, mixed array holds 4 elements. Some are strings while others are numbers. We can use the built-in PHP count function to get the number of elements in an array. This is especially useful as we work with larger and more complicated arrays. Here we have echo count. We pass in my array, prints 3, string array prints 2, mixed array prints 4. Let's create some arrays. Our instructions say create an array variable. First array, it should have 5 elements. The elements in the 0th, 2nd, and 4th index location should be strings, and the elements in the 1st, 3rd index location should be numbers. Let's do that now. Let's run it. We do pass. 2 says use echo in the built-in count function to print the length of your array. Let's do that now. Run it. We do get 5, which is the number of elements in our array. So what we're learning here is how to create an array, which we're able to use using the array function and passing in values separated by commas. We're able to save our array into a variable, and we're even able to use the count function to count the elements within our array. As long as you guys are understanding that, our array is able to hold strings, numbers, different data types, even mixed. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are creating arrays, and I'll see you in the next one.